friends, welcome back to our SP English Educare channel. Today I am going to demonstrate second PUC chemistry solved model question paper 2 2024 to 2025 with answer solved by Bhuvaneshwari P and narrated by Srishti Balakrishna. So before exposing the question paper and answer, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and like, share so you get the notification as soon as we upload the video. Okay, now let me move to expose the answer. Part A, first bit. Select the correct option from the given choices. First, square planar complex of the type MABXL where ABXL are unidentate shows A. 2 cis and 1 trans, B. 2 cis and 2 trans, C. 1 cis and 2 trans, D. 1 cis and 1 trans, and the answer is A. 2 cis and 1 trans. Second, order of a reaction in which unit of rate of a reaction and rate constant are same. A. 0, B. 1, C. 1 by 2, D. 2, and the answer is A. 0. Third, statement 1. Tertiary alcohols heated with copper at 573 K yields 2-methyl propene. Statement 2. Tertiary alcohols undergo dehydration when heated with Cu by 573 K. Identify the correct statement. A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. B. Both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. C. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. D. Statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. And the answer is A. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Fourth, the tanks used by most of scuba divers are filled with air diluted with helium around A. 88.3%, B. 56.2%, C. 32.1%, D. 11.7%, and the answer is D. 11.7%. Fifth, 1,2 dichloroethane is an example of A. Alkaline dihalides, B. Alkylidine halides, C. Vinyl halide, D. Gem dihalides, and the answer is A. Alkaline dihalides. 6. A galvanic cell has electrical potential of 1.1 V. If an opposing potential of 1.1 V is applied to its cell, what will happen to the cell reaction and current flowing through the cell? A. The reaction stops and no current flows through the cell. B. The reaction continues but current flows in the opposite direction. C. The concentration of reactants become unity and current flows from cathode to anode. D. The cell does not function as a galvanic cell and zinc is deposited on zinc plate. And the answer is A. The reaction stops and no current flows through the cell. 7. As the size of the aldehyde molecule increases, the odor becomes A. more pungent, B. more fragrant, C. less fragrant, D. no change in odor, and the answer is B. more fragrant. 8. Sulfur containing amino acid is A. cysteine, B. triosine, C. histidine, D. proline, and the answer is A. cysteine. 9. The CO bond angles of P, Q and R found to be 111.7 degree, 109 degree, 108.9 degree respectively. Compound P, Q and R are A. P-phenol, Q-methanol, R. methoxymethane, B. P-methoxymethane, Q-methanol, R. phenol, C. P-methanol, Q-phenol, R. methoxymethane, D. P-methoxymethane, Q-phenol, R. methanol, and the answer is D. P-methoxymethane, Q-phenol, R. methanol. 10th. Compounds A and B react according to the following chemical equation. 2A plus B give rise to 2. Concentration of either A or B were changed by keeping the concentration of one of reactant constants, and the rates were measured as a function of initial concentration. Following results were obtained. Choose the correct option for the rate equation for this reaction. Experiment trial. Initial concentration of A mole per liter, initial concentration of B mole per liter, initial concentration of C mole per liter. First, 0.40, 0.40, 0.10. Second, 0.40, 0.80, 0.40. Third, 0.80, 0.40, 0.20. A. Rate is equals to K A square B. B. Rate is equals to K A B square. C. Rate is equals to K A B. D. Rate is equals to K A square, and the answer is B. Rate is equals to K A B square. 11th. The reagent useful for suppression and purification of aldehyde is A. silver nitrate solution, B. sodium hydrogen sulfide, C. Felling solution, D. sodium sulfate, and the answer is B. sodium hydrogen sulfide, NaHSO3. 12th. Match the following given in column 1 with column 2. Column 1, column 2. First, chloramphenicol, malaria. Second, chloroquine, anesthetic. C. halothane, typhoid fever. Fourth, thyroxine, goiter. A. First C, second D, third B, fourth A. B. First C, second A, third B, fourth D. C. First D, second B, third C, fourth A. D. First A, second B, third C, fourth D. And the answer is B. First C, second A, third B, fourth D. 13th. The product formed from the following reaction sequences. Option and answer are below. The magnitude of CFC crystal field splitting complex delta naught can be related to the configuration of d orbitals in a coordination entity is A. If delta naught is lesser than P, the configuration is T3 2G E1G. Second, if delta naught is greater than P, the configuration is T3 2G E1G. C. If delta naught is greater than P, the configuration is T2 2G E square G. D. If delta naught is less than P, the configuration is T4 2G E0 G. And the answer is A. If delta naught is lesser than P, the configuration is T3 2G E1G. 15th. The correct order of melting point is A. Chromium is greater than manganese and greater than Fe. B. Fe is greater than Mn and greater than chromium. C. Chromium is greater than Fe. Fe is greater than Mn. D. Mn is greater than Fe. Fe is greater than chromium. And the answer is C. Chromium is greater than Fe. Fe is greater than Mn. Second bit, fill in the blanks by choosing appropriate word from those given in brackets. Glycogen, starch, catalyst, cobalt, methanol, HNN2. 16th, storage polysaccharide present in animal is dash, and the answer is glycogen. 17th, vitamin B12 is a coordination compound of metal, and the answer is cobalt. 18th, primary aliphatic amines convert into aliphatic alcohols on reacting with, and the answer is HNN2. 19th, the chemical name of wood spirit is, and the answer is methanol. 20. Change in standard gives free energy. Delta G naught of a reaction is thus altered by the addition of, and the answer is catalyst. Part B, third bit. Answer any three of the following question. Each carries 2 marks. 21. Draw a graph to show variation of vapor pressure of solvent and solution with respect to the temperature. Sure. 22. Explain the preparation of methoxyethane by Williamson synthesis. Given equation, and the answer is below. What are heteroleptic complexes? What is coordination number in complex? And the answer is below. Fourth, chlorobenzene cannot be prepared by reacting phenol with SOCl2. Give reason, and the answer is below. What are hormones? Name a hormones that mediate response to external stimuli, and the answer is below. Part C, fourth bit. Answer any three of the following. Each question carries 3 marks. 26. When a chromite ore A is fused with sodium carbonate in free access of air and the product is dissolved in water, a yellow solution of compound B is obtained after treatment of this yellow solution with sulfuric acid. Compound C can be crystallized from the solution when compound C is treated with KCl orange crystal of compound O is crystallizes out. Write all reactions involved in the conversion of A to D, and the answer is below. 27th. Write the IPAC name of COCl2En2. Draw the geometrical isomer for this complex, and the answer is below. Fluorine has ability to stabilize most of transition metal in higher oxidation state. Give two reasons with one example, and the answer is below. Write any three limitations of valence bond theory, VBT of coordination compound, and the answer is below. What is lanthanoid contraction? Name two elements of actinoids which exhibit 17th oxidation state in their compounds, and the answer is below. Fifth bit. Answer any two of the following. Each question carries 3 marks. 31st. What is the effect of temperature on the rate constant of reaction? How can this temperature effect on rate constants be represented quantitatively? And the answer is below. Plot a graph of molar conductivity for strong and weak electrolytes in solution for strong electrolytes. Write the equation that represents the variation of molar conductivity with dilution, and the answer is below. Write 3 reasons to justify that osmotic pressure method has the advantage over their colligative methods for the measurement of molar mass of proteins and polymers, and the answer is below. During working of Lenkel cell, write the anodic and cathodic reaction. What is the role of produced ammonia during cell reaction? And the answer is below. Part D, 6th bit. Answer any 4 of the following. Each question carries 5 marks. 35th A. Give any two difference between amylosis and amylopectin, and the answer is below. B. Name any two main forces which stabilize the secondary and tertiary structures of proteins, and the answer is below. C. Which vitamin deficiency causes the increased fragility of RBC and muscular weakness, and the answer is below. 36A. Write the mechanism for the addition of HCN to carbonyl compound in the presence of base, and the answer is below. Second, aromatic carboxylic acid does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Give reason, and the answer is below. (37A) Explain Huffman bromide degradation reaction by taking butamide as an example. Give the IPAC name of the product, and the answer is below. B. pKb of aniline is more than that of methenamine. Give reason, and the answer is below. (38A) How do you prepare pentamidine from aromatic dicarboxylic acid? Give the equation, and the answer is below. B. Complete the following reaction, and the answer is below. (39) An alkene XC3H6 reacts with H2O H+2 to give compound Y. Compound Y further undergo reaction with CrO3 to H2SO4 to produce compound Z. Write the IPAC name of the compounds X, Y, and Z, and the answer is below. B. Which among the following compounds have lowest and highest pKa value? P-nitrophenol, phenol, ethanol, and O-cresol, and the answer is below. Write any three difference between SN1 and SN2 reaction mechanism, and the answer is below. B. Identify A and B in the given reaction, and the answer is below. Part E Numerical Problem 7-bit. Answer any three of the following. Each question carries 3 marks. 41. Calculate the mass of vitamin C ascorbic acid C6H8O6 to be dissolved in 78 gram of acetic acid to lower its melting point by 1.5 degree C. Given Kf of acetic acid is 3.9 kg mole per liter, and the below is the numericals. 42. Heptane and octane form an ideal solution. At 373 K, the vapor pressure of two liquid components are 105.2 kPa and 46.8 kPa respectively. Calculate the vapor pressure of a solution containing of 26.0 gram of heptane and 35 gram of octane, and the numerical is below. The electrical resistance of column of 0.05 mole per liter NaOH solution of diameter 1 cm and length 50 cm is 5.55 into 10 to the power minus 3 ohm. Calculates its resistivity, conductivity and molar conductivity, and the answer is below. 44. Calculate the Gibbs free energy change and equilibrium constant for the cell reaction, and the answer is below. 45th. The rate of reaction quadruples when the temperature changes from 293 K to 313 K. Calculate the energy of activation of the reaction assuming that it does not change with temperature, and below is the answer. 46. A reaction is first order in A and second order in B. First, write the differential equation. Second, how is the rate affected on increasing the concentration of B 3 times and decreasing the concentration of A by half times. Third, how is the rate affected when the concentration of both A and B are tripled, and the answer is below.